Hey, this is Bry. This is Almost Astronomy. Let's get right into it. Tonight I'm going to start off with basically just the things that rise first up. The planets and stars that rise in the west, and then the one Vega that rises in the east. So let's check those out. And there we go. First in the sky, the planet Venus. And there is Procyon, the brightest star in Canis Minor. And moving along, the planet Mars. I'm trying to get all these planets and stars that rise early first, so you can go out yourself and try and catch these things as they rise early in the night sky. The things I'm photographing right now are the things that rise right after dusk. And there is Pollux, which is just to the right of Venus, and Castor, which is just to the right of Pollux. And moving to the west, one of the first visible stars is Vega. And the Astronomy cat has come to join us. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I figured I'd take a minute here and show you the equipment that we've been using. Our main telescope here is a Newtonian refractor telescope that uses a mirror. And we're backed up by this 70 centimeter regular telescope. This is the one I started with. And then later on, I picked up these 10 by 50 binoculars for spotting things like asteroids and satellites and aircraft. And that's the gear we use. Okay, now going back to the west, moving up and to the left from Venus, we have Regulus, which is the brightest star in Leo. I keep losing it. Regulus. Stay there, Regulus. And just up and to the right of Regulus, also in Leo, we have Algiba. And just up and to the right of that, we had Adhafra. Hey, I think that's pretty much it for the stars and planets that rise in the east and the west between 9 and 10. Now we'll give it about an hour and let the evening sky mature, and then we'll see what we can find. I might have to move to a different space. There's just too much light pollution in this property I've been shooting from. Oh shit, UFO. And moving to the south, we have Spica, the brightest star in the constellation Virgo. The reason I want to move and go to a different location to film is because I can't get very good shots to the north and to the south. To the south is trees, and to the north of me is all bright lights. But anyway, there's the best shot I have of that. Alright, well, it's getting on to near 11 o'clock now, and almost straight above me is Arcturus. And I don't know if it shows up in the shot or not, but right next to that is the Chandra satellite that I photographed last night. Yeah, getting on about 11:10 p.m., rising in the east, we had the star Altair, which is the brightest star in the constellation Aquila. And once again, my buddy's complaining, so I guess I'm going to have to take him in and say goodnight to Astronomy Cat. Alright, well, I was going to bug out and go over to Salt Lake Wildlife Refuge, and then I realized that my asshole neighbor with the asshole lights wasn't home tonight, so I moved over to the west side of the property where I can get advantage of the south and the north. So first thing I'm going to try here for is a double star. Okay, that is K Centauri, and I don't know if it also shows up, but B Lupi, both in the constellation Centaurus. And also to the south, the star Shala in the constellation Scorpius. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up with this one. This was a really tough one to get. 2023 BU, an asteroid in orbit. Okay, well, thanks for watching Homeless Astronomy Episode 3. And maybe next time I'll sneak out somewhere to an undisclosed location. But as I've been told by the younger fellers that are new at shaving, since this is on 3 platforms, I'm a content creator now, so I was told to tell you to be sure to subscribe and click that like button. I'll catch you next time, all. Bye.